To install the doors on your Ranger 150, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and ensure the parking brake is set. Begin by loosening the 3 straps on the side net and removing the straps from the vehicle. Then, remove and retain the 2 fasteners on the floor securing the side net, and remove the net. Continue by reinstalling the retained floor fasteners, and tighten until fully seated. Then, repeat this process on the other side. Next, remove the fastener and nut on the brace bar. Retain the fastener for reinstallation and discard the nut. Then, remove and retain the 2 lower fasteners on the brace bar. Continue by sliding the bar towards the front of the vehicle to remove. Next, with the hinge pins facing out, insert the lower portion of the door frame into the body panel and slide the upper tube over the tube on the chassis. Then, reinstall the retained upper fastener with the provided washer into the upper portion of the mount and secure with the provided nut. Do not torque at this time. Continue by reinstalling the 2 retained lower fasteners with the provided washers into the bottom portion of the mount. Do not torque at this time. Next, remove the 2 front lower cab frame fasteners and nuts. Discard the fasteners and retain the nuts. Moving the cab frame back and forth while removing the fasteners may aid in removal. Then, remove the fastener from the middle of the front fender. Next, align the door striker plate over the mounting holes on the door striker mount. Ensure the large oval is placed over the opening in the bracket and is offset with the top of the striker mount bracket. Then, install the 2 provided fasteners into the plate and torque to specification. Continue by fully installing the smaller nut onto the door striker. Then, insert the striker through the striker plate and install the larger nut. Next, install the 2 provided cab frame fasteners into the front of the cab frame and install the provided spacers on the other side. Then, align the striker mount with the cab frame fasteners and secure with the previously removed nuts. Continue by installing the longest striker mount fastener and an included washer into the bottom of the mount. And tighten until fully seated. Then, counterhold and torque the cab frame fasteners to specification. Next, insert a nut plate smooth side up behind the mounting bracket on the door. A trim tool may be used to aid in aligning the nut plate. Then, align the door stem mount with the opening pointing downward and bending outward. And insert 2 provided shorter fasteners and washers into the mount. Before continuing, repeat this process for the other mount. Next, align the door to the door stems on the door mount and firmly press down into place. Then, carefully close the door and verify proper fitment as necessary. The provided spacers may be installed between the hinge and the door to improve fitment. Continue by adjusting the striker depth as necessary to ensure the door double latches. Next, tighten the door hinge fasteners to ensure the door stays in the desired position when opening the door. Then, open the door and torque the fasteners to specification. Next, close the door and set the striker height. Then, open the door and counterhold the striker fastener to torque to specification. Before continuing, close the door and ensure proper fitment. Next, counterhold the upper door fastener and nut and torque to specification. Then, torque the two lower door frame fasteners to specification. Next, align the door strap with the slots on the door mounts and slide the openings of the straps over the mounts and down into place. The fitment of the strap is very tight and may be difficult to install. A flathead screwdriver may be used to aid in installation. Use care to not tear the strap. Finally, repeat this process for the other door. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.